Today was a mix of a good day and a slight bad one. I start with the part. This morning I had presentation in class. I was a little nervous because I hadn't practiced as much as I wanted, but fortunately it turned out better than I had imagined. My classmates were understanding, and my professor said that my example was clear enough to explain the main ideas. That made me feel more confident and relieved. It also motivated me to prepare even better for future presentations, since I realized I could do well even under pressures. Later, I went to have lunch with my parents, and that experience completely changed my mood. We were served some delicious dishes that immediately lifted my spirits. I ordered a bean steak with portlet, which was truly exquisite, rich and flavored, and very satisfying. Sharing that moment with my parents reminded me how important it is to spend quality time with my family, no matter how busy or stressful life gets. After lunch, since the sun was still shining and the weather was warm, we decided to take advantage of it and went to eat ice cream. It was a simple but really enjoyable moment. We laughed, talked, and cooled down with something sweet while walking around a bit. Honestly, those little details gave the day an even more special touch. However, now everything ends when I had hope. In the afternoon, the sun grew stronger and it started to get really hot, which made us uncomfortable. We had to find some shade to avoid getting burned, and though that helped, the heat still left us feeling a bit drained. By the evening, I had to change my mood and get ready to travel back to Lima. I knew I had to return for my classes, so I quietly packed my things. So we a bit upon the stage for leaving my family behind. The trip marked a quiet closing to a day that, despite a few inconveniences, was filled with meaningful moments. Overall, I'd say that I was more positive than negative, but the presentation, the last, and the ice cream all exceeded my expectation. And although the heat was a little uncomfortable, it didn't ruin the experience. In the end, it was a good day. We just wanted small and pleasant moments, and I went to be feeling grateful for what I had learned and focused on what waited me back in Lima.